Hey Facebook, how you doing? This is Courtney again. I'm out here with my customer, Mr. and Mrs. Smith, and this is her mother, Ms.Burris. Hey guys, check it out. I want to support Mrs. Murder's business, what she has done since I've been knowing her. She sells dresses and clothes for dogs. Ms. Murder, show us some of your merchandise.
Okay.
So this is one of her dresses for the dog. These are doggy clothes. She goes to different shows and events throughout the year to showcase her work, and she does all this in-house. So if you guys are local, even if you're not local, Ms. Murder has a website and you also ship. She ships. So I'm going to put her information on the video, guys. Look at this.
Oh, you video?
Yes, ma'am. Okay. Yeah. Okay. And I also bought a few coats for Chloe. Remember about 2 years ago, those coats that I bought? Yeah, look at that, guys. That's a dress. All doggy clothes.
They were reasonable.
And her prices are reasonable.
Tell them like this little dress here is $25. That's all.
See that, guys? And again, she does all this herself. And how many shows and events do you go to per year, Ms. Murders?
Well, as many as I can.
Okay.
But usually I got two big ones: Pet Expo. And Swanee.
Okay. Talking about the local Swanee. Okay, local Swanee. Okay.
Now this one is so. See, these are holiday dresses now. The babies can wear.
Now, do you make anything for the boys?
Yeah.
Okay.
I got some tuxedos for the boys.
Okay.
And pants.
You also make
raincoats.
Raincoats. Jackets. Shirts.
Leather jackets.
Yes, ma'am.
Leather jackets. Let me see if I can find a leather jacket. I think she put all dresses in here.
Okay.
This is a pretty one here.
Look at that. Yeah.
Coat or dress.
Yes, ma'am. That is beautiful.
Yeah. Let's see.
Boys. There are the boys right there. Okay. All right, guys. What I'm going to do is get her card. I'm going to edit her card into this video. So if you guys are interested in any doggy clothes, dresses, coats, shirts, and like I said, she got the girls and the boys.
Leg warmers.
And also, you can do custom work too, can't you?
Yes.
Yep, she does custom work.
Go up to 100, any size dog.
Any size dog. Wow, nice. Let me help you with that, Ms. Murders.
Okay, go up to any.
This is the boys?
Yeah, I hope so.
Yeah, I think this is the boys.
Hope so. This looks like it. And they probably hear my yapper. Yeah.
She wondered where you went.
We had this stuff was at the show, and these things are, I don't want any more of these containers here. They're no good.
Oh, I got it right here.
Okay.
Okay, so here's some of the boy clothes.
Yes, here's a tuxedo right here. Here's a tuxedo.
That's a tuxedo. Get your little doggy boys ready for the holidays. And this is like a jacket.
That's a vest.
A vest, okay.
Vest.
It's a leather.
It's a little small. See that small little.
Okay. So you guys see, the all sizes. So you said you go up to even 100-pound dogs.
I can go up to 150-pound dogs.
150-pound dogs.
And like these, like we got the if they're interested, like we can do this one here.
Oh, the whole set.
The whole little set, the pants and the.
Nice.
Okay.
Okay.
I think I can find this one leather jacket.
Well, guys, you see she got sports teams, and all this is custom, made in-house. Let me all her fabric. See, so guys, so when you're supporting her, you're supporting a small company like myself. So she got all her different fabrics.
Thank you.
You're welcome, Ms. Murders.
Here's a leather.
Okay.
Case motorcycles.
Okay, a little motorcycle. Look at that, guys. Look at that. That is nice. See all her different fabrics. I'm now just showing you your different fabrics. Yes, ma'am. I just got to clean the carpets. And you see, guys, she does everything in-house. In-house. And there's the little one. There's her little one right there. And she shipped. Man, Murders, let me get one of your cards again.
Oh, that's right.
So you guys see she does everything in-house. She's actually doing some right now. And she takes her business seriously, okay?
If they're retired military, tell them I do blankets and stuff for them.
Okay. Got some different stuff she's doing over here.
Like I just did a hand grenade.
Yes, ma'am. Look at that.
I'll give you some cards.
All right, Ms.Burris. All right, guys. So I'm going to put her information, her card, at the beginning and the ending of this video. And if you guys please want to support her for your little doggies, please do. I have a few jackets that I got from her a couple of years ago for Chloe. Yes, and we definitely use those jackets for her when it gets cold outside.
Right.
And so, yep.
And tell them if it doesn't fit, or we stand by our work.
There you go.
If something's wrong with it, we replace it.
All right, guys. See y'all in the next one.